Good evening, I'm Adam Rustam, CEO of Cambridge Sleep Sciences.
I'm Fabian Bruch, the CEO of Achieve Minds Agency.
And we're here tonight to talk about the world of rest and recovery for the ultimate performance in the world of sports and esports.
Everyone talks about the grind, but not many people talk about the recovery. Everyone practices a numerous amount of hours, having a lot of training and competition, and there's so much demand for constant focus and reaction time. Often we forget about the importance of recovery. Obviously, it's very, very important to focus on the sleep, and often gamers don't only sleep enough, they also go too late to bed. So therefore it's very important to have a performance pyramid, because the foundation of performance is to have in the foundation well-being. If you feel good, if you're fully focused, if you're able to use your full potential, you're more likely to win than you're not having a good night of sleep, you're not fully recovered, and you're not able to execute your actual skills. So therefore sleep, which is 1/3 of the day, you're sleeping 2 days in an entire week. So 5 days you're awake and 2 days you're actually sleeping. So if we are really focusing on the time off the screen to enhance our performance on the screen, or focus on our time when we are not practicing on the field and doing sports, but while we are sleeping, we are able to outperform others, because it's all about getting these inches and the optimization of performance through small edges. We do know that many people have poor sleep. We never knew more about well-being and performance, and additionally to that, we are more and more unhealthy as a society. So sleep is a major impact in our well-being, mental health and performance. So obviously, as esports players have late night scrims, which is practice or tournaments, they are stressed because they're having to do a lot of cognitive tasks. So it's a huge cognitive load. They're traveling a lot around the globe because they're having a lot of different tournaments, having different time zones. You can imagine a lot of external factors they can't impact, building a lot of stress. But what you can impact is the decisions you are doing. So it's very, very important to focus on your own actions and having a probable tool to improve your recovery, regeneration, and therefore performance. So players don't just win in the arena or on the field, they win in recovery. Here you can see we are showcasing you a new video explaining our new technology, the TechCo Performance Pillow.
Focus, memory, reaction time, all powered by quality sleep. When sleep suffers, performance suffers. Introducing the TechCo Performance Pillow, powered by SleepEngine technology for deeper, more restful sleep and the best recovery. Wrapped in a luxurious quilted cover with elegant piping, multiple adaptive foam layers provide perfect support, pressure relief, and deep restorative sleep. A protective inner layer ensures long-lasting durability and hygiene. A soft outer layer adds a gentle touch and extra comfort to your sleep experience. New trial results show gamers slept better with data from Ultra-Human Ring Air, with 28% more REM sleep, 31% less awake time, and higher sleep efficiency. Even self-reported sleep quality scores improved, meaning users not only slept better, they felt more rested, sleep smarter, play better, perform stronger. Because every victory begins with sleep.
So I'm pleased to introduce you to the TechCo Performance Pillow. This is a collaboration between Cambridge Sleep Sciences, Ultrahuman, Achieve Minds, and TechCo. And this is bringing you the ultimate in rest and recovery for the ultimate in performance, both on the field and also on your screen. So in the next video, we're going to do a little explainer which shows how the whole system, which communicates between a smart pillow, the Ultrahuman Ring Air, comes together to deliver the ultimate in rest and recovery. So as you've seen in the last video, the way the system works is that the ultra-human ring air picks up on your biomarkers. What that means is that it's measuring the way that you sleep. And if it finds out, for example, you're not getting enough deep sleep or enough REM sleep, what it will do is signal to the smart pillow, which will then adjust its program to make sure that your sleep pattern is changed to give you more deep sleep or more REM sleep. And that in turn will give you a better sleep, which means you'll perform better either in your day job, on your esports, on sports on the pitch. So it's a system to give you the ultimate in sleep and recovery for the ultimate in performance day to day. Now, how does this audio technology work? It sounds like it's magic. Well, actually, it's not magic. It's proven by 2 independent clinical trials. And what it is a neuroacoustic sound algorithm which plays through speakers which are within the pillow. What these sounds do is lull your brain into the optimal sleep pattern to make sure that you get a great 8 hours or less, depending on how much you want to sleep. You get the best sleep out of your time that you spend in bed. This new technology is patented and is available through this smart pillow which we're launching today.
So before we created the pillow, we did a study with my agency and some of the best esports players in the entire world, and we had significant results. As you can see, the REM sleep improved by 28%, and even more interesting, the sleep efficiency increased. So that means they decreased in 31% of being awake, meaning when they were in bed, they actually were almost purely sleeping, didn't have a problem to fall asleep, didn't have too many difficulties or waking up during the night. And when they were awake in the morning, they went out of bed. So we did that by using the ultra human air ring to get metrics to see how their objective markers are. And then obviously we saw that better sleep has a big impact on the performance. And what the gamers reported, we used then a subjective measure, which was the Pittsburgh Sleep Questionnaire Index, that the guys over several months improved, not even felt better, they performed better and were more rested. So even people who didn't have any issues with sleep improved, and people who had poor sleep improved. So it does not really matter how good or bad the sleep was, it did have an impact on their performance and well-being. So what does it really mean? As we just talked about it, esports or performance is always making the best decision in the shortest amount of time and minimizing errors. If you do 1 error less than your opponent, you're winning the game on the field or on the screen. So very important is therefore to be fully focused. So not only this, also when you have better sleep, your recovery is way better. So you are able to prevent injuries. If you have injuries, you're healing quicker, but also your reaction time is quicker, your decision makings are better, you have a better mood, you have a better well-being, it's easier to be a good teammate, and you have a sharper consistency across all aspects of life. And we also know that proper restful sleep is correlated with better emotional control. And even there was a Counter-Strike study, so people with more sleep had better performance compared to people with less sleep.
So in this video, we've been doing a lot of talking so far, but Fabian talked about his gamers trial where pro esports players tested out the technology. So now we're going to show you in this next video how it works, but in their own words.
In esports, every millisecond counts.
Gonna be an easy task, but I fancy his chances when he's hitting shots like that! Oh my god, he's getting it done!
Hello everyone, I just want to give my opinion about performance pillow. Only positive can say 10 out of 10. The form itself, very comfortable for me to sleep. Also the sound settings, cannot say anything but positive. Super good, would recommend to everyone.
Hey guys, for me personally, using the app and pillow has been very smooth. It came with ease to sleep in longer and better. As of right now, I'm streaming full time, so it helps me to stay focused and balanced.
One of the cool features that this performance sleep pillow has is that it has like a built-in alarm that you can set on your phone. So let's say you have to get up at 8, you can go to the app, you can set the alarm at 8, and then it slowly wakes you up with like a low volume in the beginning and then slowly goes up. I think this is a really cool feature, so you don't wake up with like a shock in the morning. And at the same time, if you forget to charge your phone or something happens to your phone, you'll still wake up at the right time and not be late for practice.
New trial results show gamers slept better with data from Ultra-Human Ring Air, with 28% more REM sleep, 31% less awake time, and higher sleep efficiency.
Gets the kill on Paddy, now he is just out tagged. 2 headshots, and then now it's the one we won against Joe 4. Are you kidding me?
Better sleep means faster reactions, fewer errors, more wins. Upgrade your game. Sleep deeper with the eSports Performance Pillow with built-in SleepEngine technology. Sleep better, perform stronger, win bigger. Upgrade your game today at am-gaming.com/store.
So this is a collaboration between Cambridge Sleep Sciences. What do? We bring the audio technology that helps people sleep better. We collaborated with Achieve Minds, which bring pro coaching and esports insight. They bring the esports credibility to the party. We talked about Ultrahuman, who make the amazing Ring Air, which is a great biosensing sleep tracker, but also brings you so much more about your quality of life. It enables you to optimize your day-to-day. And then Techco Group, who provide the pillow. And we haven't really talked about the pillow enough, but it's a super comfy pillow, super huggable, and is actually got cooling fabric on top and has got an amazing latex technology within for the best in comfort. So this is a quadruple threat.
Okay, so today we are launching the partnership. We are announcing the launch of the performance pillow, and later on you can order this online. We have the smart pillow and we have the Techco performance pillow, which an extra discount for today. So please log on am-gaming.com/store to get your discount. Pre-orders open tonight for the performance pillow. The smart pillow you can purchase already if you don't want to wait.
So that wraps things up. We've told you about our brand new technology, which is, in all honesty, probably a world's first. It's a sleep system built to optimize your sleep, to stay in touch and track the state of your sleep day to day, and then basically improve it by serving amazing sleep sounds that improve the quality and depth of your sleep. And it's not just loose claims. These are proved by clinical trials, by tests through gamers, and there's evidence to show that when you get a better sleep, you perform better, be that on the pitch, be it through your screen, or be it through your day-to-day life, looking after the kids or just being at work. So we're really proud to share the latest news with you, and over to you to find out more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, hello everyone. My name's Julian Stone and I'm president at Cambridge Sleep Sciences. And today we've got Monza, who's actually one of the Ultrahuman athletes with us as well. So Monza, I just wanted to ask you, how important is it having the absolutely excellent Ultrahuman ring and being able to sleep so much better using the pillow with the Cambridge Sleep Sciences? What does that mean to you?
Thank you, Julian, for the introduction. Actually, the possibility of linking my ring to the pillow is actually revolutionary and mind-blowing at the same time, because I'm a competitive powerlifter, and when it comes to my sport, sleep and recovery are essential.
Yeah.
Therefore, connecting both of these devices will guarantee better sleep and better recovery for my performance, which means I will definitely kill it in my next competition.
Thank you. So I'm now here with Shaquille from the TechCo group. And first of all, Shaquille, thank you so much that the TechCo group is involved in this collaboration. And I know that you, as well as manufacturing pillows, you also know a lot about technology. So how important do you think it is, the collaboration between the great ring from Ultrahuman, the pillow and the sleep science?
I think it's absolutely amazing. I mean, if you look at where we are today with smart technology, there is something there that can be measured to improve sleep, which is number one. And that's what we're trying to achieve. But then we can measure it and then personalize it. And that is a game changer.
Absolutely.
I think this is what it is.
Yeah, I like that idea of just finishing on that, an absolute game changer. So thank you very much.